I'm going to save this for the deer. How?
Look at that big fat old thing.
You can't even get it.
Oh, listen over here.
Oh, they can't even get it.
Here, I'll have it. I'll let you have it.
Here you guys. Here you guys.
Hey, Max, what you doing there?
That's what you do.
No!
You put it on here.
Look at the little thing. There, the little bitty one got some.
Yes.
Will you stop it? You had enough.
I haven't ever seen one close, I don't think. Look at the porcupine. Don't lay it on all the bird crap.
So wrong.
Fine.
Don't lay it across it.
Look at that porcupine.
Look.
Okay, you had some.
Here's a little baby.
Oh, look at which
Oh, that little one, white one says, give me one more, please.
one more.
That tasted
Watch
so
their hooves.
good.
Their hooves are sharp. Oh, look at
Here.
Good beggar.
look at that. Oh. Look what he had.
Uh-oh.
Look at
And
that.
away it went, huh?
Look at that.
Don't even need ice cream cone.
All right, let's go around.
Look at
See.
the
Oh,
porcupine.
look at the llama over there.
Recording now. What do you think of that old bear? There's a black one and a brown one, right?
They can be near them.
Yeah, for sure.
They might get
Had this in your backyard, you can have a whole zoo of animals.
You want to take care of them?
I don't. Imagine all that work. Keep that clean and feed them. Oh.
look like a donkey to me.
Here's another one, Hyde.
I know.
Hey, where'd you come from?
A little nibble.
Look
Look
at
at
this.
this one. Look at this one.
Uh-huh. Look at this neat llama here.
Very nice.
They're
He doesn't
so-
grab it or nothing.
Remember that crazy Michael Jackson has all these wild animals?
Michael Jackson does?
Yeah, he
Oh,
has
I
a-
didn't know
He has
that.
a llama and he has all this stuff in his backyard.
No kidding.
Yeah.
See if anybody else has got something.
Rusty the pony.
King.
Kind of shake. Can you kind of shake something? Shake the gate. Like that. Be a good picture.
Excuse me, Snow White.
Who are you discussing, Cinderella? Who are you discussing?
What a cute playhouse. Wouldn't it? Your dad's there built your playhouse. Like that, I suppose.
Yeah. Humpty Dumpty. Heidi, wouldn't you be happy if Dad made a little playhouse?